So this is MAT data of anti-diabetic drugs. Today we will take this as an sample and analyze this data to understand that what all the competitors available in the market. This data is from 4 years: 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020. These all sales data is in crore, and MAT, as you know, the full form is moving annual total, means last 1 year what all the uh, revenue or the sale is generated. So starting with, first we need to understand the column uh, available with us. First one is a plain or it's a combination. Then C column is molecule description, then pack description, then brand name, the company name, then the sales data. So first of all, I have converted this whole data into table so that we will have easy analysis for this. So first we need to analyze the. Now we will first of all take a baby steps in the analysis. First of all, we will answer all these 6 questions. Answer. So number of molecule or combinations available. Pardon for explaining. Combinations available. Number of companies available, and number of Glimepiride and its combinations available. Growth of anti-diabetic market from 2017 to 18, 18 to 19, and then 19 to 20. And how about the growth of Glimepiride and its combinations? And last, we will have a forecasting which is available in MS Excel. We will use it and forecast it for 2025 market. So first of all, number of molecules or the combination available. This is very simple. We simply need to use this formula count, and as this is in the table format, so I will use this table, and I want to count the total number of molecule and combinations. So I will take up this thing, simply close the bracket and enter. Oh, it's 0. So now we will have to change the formula to count it. So it will count exact. So if you want to cross check this, we'll go here. From here we can simply select, and here you can see that it's 3922, and our data is 3922. Now we need to count the how many companies are operating in this market. So simply equals to count. Here also we will use count it. Then it is in table format, so we go to table, and then the company. Here if we enter this, the answer will be wrong because there are several duplicates name would be there in the company. So what we will do, we will use one more for function here, that is unique function. Okay, so enter. So 198 companies are currently operating in anti-diabetic market. Now for the rest of these three to fifth, three to six, three, four, fifth, and sixth answer, we need to summarize this data in a pivot form. So for the pivot table, we simply need to select it, go to insert, and then pivot table. We will work in a new sheet, so we will put it okay. So this is the pivot format. So here what we will do, we will take this molecule, this thing to the filter, and the brand at the rows. Here we need to select which combination we want. So we want all the combination or the monotherapy of Glimepiride. So we will all are selected. So we will put it here. So now if we see the count, so it's 496. With the formula, if you want to see, you can simply type count A and select this thing and hit enter. So it's 496 different brands of Glimepiride and its combinations are available. So we will write it here, 496. Now one more additional thing we will check here is how many companies are operating in this Glimepiride and its combination. So we simply have to put the company's name here, and you can see this thing has changed. So total 139 companies are having Glimepiride or its combination. Now coming to the fourth question, that is growth of anti-diabetic market. So before going to the growth, first of all we need to understand what was the total market in 2017, 2018, 19 and 20. For that we again go to our pivot table sheet. So it's simply I will drop it. So molecule description here, then I will put this data sales in the value column. So I got this total anti-diabetic market value. So for simplification, we'll simply reduce it. So in 2017, it was 10,367 crores. In 2018, it was 11,594 crores, and increased to 13,269 in June 2019, and then in June 2020 it rose to around 14,500 crores. Now coming to the growth, so it's a very simple formula. So for that, first of all, we need to copy it. Actually, there is a formula over here, so that will enable you for doing other calculations. So what we will do, we will simply copy and paste it here without formula. Now I will just do one thing: 2017, 2018, 2019, and this will be 2020. So if you want to calculate the growth, so for the growth, just simply I will write it down here. Sorry, growth. So it's 2018 sale minus 2017 sale divided by 2018 sales. Because it follows BODMAS rule, so I need to put it into bracket. It will not show the correct value. This is growth percentage. Now I will simply drag it to further, and here it is. So in 2018 it was 11% growing, in 1913, and then it degrew to 10%. I guess this is because of the COVID. You all are will be aware that because of the COVID, this thing is there. Now, if we want to forecast it, see, so simply what we need to do, we need to select it, go to data tab, there forecast sheet, and you can see. So I need to forecast it to till 2025. This graph I am not is not very much useful, so I will use a bar chart, and here it is. Okay, this is the chart. So simply I will give the data label over here. So in 2025, as per the previous data, it should grow to 22,000 crore. This market should grow. So this is the forecasting of this thing. Okay. If you want to see how much now, if you want to forecast the growth of this market, simply you need to just hide this and select the years and the growth. Go to data tab, click on forecasting and the data table. Then we need till 225 data. Let's see if we are predicting it to 30. So it is degrowing. Here it is. What we will do, data labels, and introduce this. Hopefully that will make it more visible to you. So it's almost 8%, growing by 8%. I think this is good forecasting because of the incoming of new molecules. This traditional glimepiride and its combination would be a less preferred option in coming days. Simultaneously, we are doing our forecasting as well. So, sixth question of growth of anti-diabetic drugs we have already covered. Now, what we will do, we will see the glimepiride and its combinations growth and its market size. So, again, we will go to our pivot table. Herein, simply I just need to select the Glimepiride and its combination market. It's very easy. Okay, so you can see the market size has changed. So this is the sales of Glimepiride and its combination. So as I told you, this has a formula, so we need to copy it and paste it somewhere else. So we have pasted here. Simply I need to again change it to the years 2018, 2019, and then 2020. Now I'm inserting one this thing. So this is sales, and now the growth. So for growth, yeah, let me reduce this so that it will be properly visible to you. Now simply this minus 2017 sales divided by again 2018 sales, and then so this market is almost parallelly growing with the anti-diabetic market. Now if I want to forecast the data, so again I need to select it, the year, and because this forecast sheet needs only two columns, simply the year and the data, the sales data. So now I will increase it to 25. Let's do it for 30. Create it. So we'll go to data labels. So this market will grow to 8038 crore in 2030, because the glimepiride is being used with several different uh, molecules which are new coming as well. So this is this figure almost. Now let us check that how about the growth, how much growth it is showing. Simply we need to hide it, and we'll go here on data. We will click forecasting and the bar again, then again till 30th we will create it. Very simple. So based on this table, oh my god, so this market will increase the pace and it will grow by 26% till by 2030. So we have answered all the simple questions regarding this. All the So videos like this will be coming up with all these things. And if you want your business to be analyzed and uh, strategies to be delivered, you can visit our website. This is our consultancy firm, Mind Labs Business Solutions. Here in the resources segment, you will get our business profile, and if you want to understand what type of work we are doing, so we are analyzing your business data. Based on that, we will suggest which product to launch and what sort of strategies. So for more detail, you can check our website, and for contact, please connect us on these email IDs: admin@mindlabsindia.in and mindlabsbiz@gmail.com. Here we also post blogs as well, so you can have a look to that also. Thank you very much.